Watson Woods Riparian Preserve, a living cathedral. The brochure provides a history of Watson Woods. Pre-1900s, Watson Woods was part of a larger 1,000-acre riparian forest that once reached 4 miles upstream into downtown Prescott. Mature cottonwoods, willows, Arizona walnut, box elder maple, velvet ash, and choke cherry created a cathedral-like atmosphere with lush herbaceous wetland vegetation. With historic reports of year-round water flows, Watson Woods was an oasis. In the early 1900s, about 90% of this forest was lost due to sand and gravel mining, dumping, overgrazing, and drainage modifications, along with surrounding activities like development and excessive groundwater extraction. As recently as the 1970s, Watson Woods was home to heavy machinery and was regarded as a wasteland. In 1995, Watson Woods Riparian Preserve was established with an agreement between Prescott Creeks and the City of Prescott. In 2009 to 2013, Prescott Creeks implemented the ecological restoration of Watson Woods, which was a culmination of over 10 years of planning. Granite Creek was realigned for proper sinuosity and flow, wetlands were restored, and native trees were planted. Additional restoration activities are still being planned and implemented, along with continued maintenance and monitoring. Presently, incredibly, the area is bouncing back, and with continued proper management, perhaps the cathedral will return to its former glory. If you'd like to learn more about Watson Woods, you can visit www.prescottcreeks.org. I'm Commander Raddick, and if you've listened this far, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. Have a good one.